Hello everyone, welcome back in this series, SCOM 2022 Lab series. In the last video, we have successfully installed SQL. Let's install SCOM server now. So I have already downloaded SCOM exe file from Microsoft and I have extracted in System Center Operation Manager. Just you need to right click setup and run as administrator. And also I have logged in as a domain administrator account. Click on install. In this video we are going to only install management server and operations console. Okay, so select those and click on next. This is the location where operation manager is going to be installed. You should change this location to different drive. This is operating system drive. It is not recommended. You should install in some different location other than your Windows partition. Okay, click on next. It will verify your prerequisite. You can check the prerequisite from here. For now it is 2 virtual CPUs and 4 GB RAM. That's the hardware requirement for SCOM server. You need to give the management group name. So this is the first management server, so you need to create the management group. You can also click on add management server if you are adding in an existing management group. Okay, so let me just name it SCOM MGMT. Click on next. Accept license terms. Click next. And here you need to give the name of your SQL server. You should have correct DNS server to resolve this name, and it is resolved successfully. And keep the things default, like database name you can just change it if you want, but keep it default. Click on next. And here it will create warehouse database. Again, give the same SQL server name, except you have a different in your production, but in lab environment you can keep on the same server. Okay, you can again change the database name, data file and log file on a different location, but its on depends upon your requirement. Just click on next. Here comes the main part. You need to create few users in your domain so that you can mention over here. Let me just create those accounts. So I have installed Active Directory users and computers on SCOM SQL. Click on users, right click, new user. So first we need SCOM MSAA. This is actually shortcut for management server action account. Okay. Change this. Password never expire. Next. Should have different mechanism to renew the password, because setting password never expire is not a good idea in production. Okay. So data read access. Data write access. These are 4 users. We need one group so that we can add these users to a group, that we can name it as a SCOM MGMT users, and it should be global and security. So okay, and move these to this security group, add to a group. Okay, so if I just open it, members are these 4 servers, and we need to make this group as a part of domain admins. Okay, and if we check, SCOM MGMT group is a member of domain admins. Okay, so now let's go ahead and mention those users. This is domain account, webOS 3, SCOM MSAA, domain account, CCS. This is just a short name. You can create your own usernames and password. Click on next. So it says this is the domain administrator account, so this is not recommended, but for now we can continue with it. No issues. Click on next. Microsoft update. Click on off. We don't need Microsoft update for lab environment. In production also we don't need that. We have our own schedule for updates and all. Okay. Click on next and then install. Okay. You need to wait for might be 20 to 30 minutes to complete, and you should have patience to work with SCOM because it actually takes time. I will be back once this installation is finished. Welcome back. Installation has been completed, and you can see this management server has a yellow mark because it's an evaluation version of Operation Manager. This is giving us warning that we should properly license this Operations Manager, but we are going to use for just for evaluation and learning purpose, so that's okay. You can launch Microsoft update, but right now I'm not going to do that. But yes, I'm going to start the operations console. I will close this wizard and it will open the operations console first view. Let's see. You should have questions like why 2022, what's new in 2022. Okay, so I will discuss all those things later, so that first if you do these things, then only you will interested to learn what is more in 2022. I always keep theory part in the end because once you have the lab or interactive things to do, then only you have the question like why we are doing this, and then you search for the answers. Then you really enjoy learning those whys. Okay. Otherwise, if I go with the theory, you will just feel it boring and you don't understand anything what's new. Keep in mind, first do the labs, installing agents, monitoring virtual machines, and then you can learn the theory part and understand, and you can crack the interviews. So it is initializing and it will take a few minutes. This is the first time it is launching, so it will take few minutes and then it will come up. Okay, so congratulations. Here is the console. You can see this is familiar to you guys. The same console like 2016-19. We'll discuss what is different in 2022 later, as I said. This is video on installation. In the next video, we are going to explore these options and tabs and learn more. Okay, if you have already gone through my 2019 video, it will be most probably the similar one, but yeah, we are going to do some more things in this video. Last time I didn't complete it. Okay, I had some issues and then I just stuck somewhere. So after 2022, I again decided to create videos on 2022 and go further beyond that last series. Just be with me. You will get some more details and understanding in this series. Thanks for watching.